Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti, and we are here for our morning maths classes. So, children, let's get started. So, today, fractions, but it's not only fractions, it's going to be about fractions of fractions. So, let's see what's inside it. Let's dive deeply into it. We will be understanding what are fractions of fractions, okay, how we can solve them. So here, let's consider the fraction. So this is a square having four square parts in between. This is 1 by 4. You can see that this is one part out of four equal parts. We can call it as 1 by 4. Right. Now, this is a red colored part. Now, if I talk about this, 1 by 4 is divided further into half. Basically, this is half of 1 by 4th part of the entire square. I repeat, this was the red color part. What is the fraction of this red color part? 1 by 4. Now, if I cut this red part into two parts, now what it will become? I've taken one more part out, like I have, now this fraction will be called as one part, sorry. So now this will be called as one part, hold on, one part out of the two equal parts of 1 by 4, half of the 1/4 parts, because 1/4 was already there. I just did half of it, half of the 1/4 part. So half of means, multiply. And this is 1 by 4, half of 1/4, which is 1 by 8. Okay. Let's repeat the diagram. Here, one part out of 8 equal parts. If I'll remove the red one also, then we can say that it is one part out of 8 equal parts. Isn't it very interesting? Okay, so let's do the next one. This is 1 square. And what is the fraction of this red part? Children, you can answer in the live chat box. Good morning. I can see some of your messages in the live chat. Children, please share this video with your friends as well so that they can also join. Okay, so this is one part out of the 4 equal parts. Okay, this is the red color part, fraction of the red color part. Now, what will you say about this? Now, this part, now tell me the fraction of the blue part, only the blue part. 1 by 3, but of what? 1/3 part of the entire, which is like 1 by 3 of, wait, here, 1/3 part of, this part was called as 1 by 4, right? So it is 1/3 of 1/4 part. I have taken 1/3 part out of the 1/4 part. Okay? So that's how we do it. 1/3 part of the 1/4 part. So 1/3 of 1/4 means 1 by 3 times 1 by 4, which is 1 by 12. Now, if we look at this, the blue part, I have divided this into equal number of parts. If I'll divide this into equal number of parts, because we can call it as fraction when it is divided into equal number of parts. If I'll do that, so what will be the fraction here of the blue part? It is one part out of 12 equal parts. Okay, one part out of 12 equal parts. Yeah, let's do the next one. What's the fraction of this red shaded portion? Yeah, so this is 1 by 5, 1/5. Okay, 1/5 is the fraction of the red colored part. It is the 1/5 part of this rectangle. If I'll cut it into two equal parts, and let me call this as blue part. What is the fraction of this blue part? This is half of the red part, na? Earlier it was entirely red, but this is half of the red color part. And red color part is 1/5. Okay. So this is 1 by 2 of 1/5. Right? So half of means times and 1 by 5. 1 by 10. Yeah. Next one. We have to find the half of 1/5 of 60. Half of 1/5 of 60. Let's see how to do it. This is 1/5 of 60. That's how we write 1/5 of 60. Okay. What is 1/5 of 60? 5 times 12. Like here, wait. 1 times 60 is 60. In the denominator 5. But how can we write 60? 5 times 12. In the denominator there is 5. 5 cancel. 12 is there. That means 1/5 of 60. 1/5 of 60 is 12. Now we need to find the half of. Okay, so here half of 1/5 of 60. Half of 1/5 of 60 is 12. That means half of 12 is 6. Okay, half of 12 is 6. So that's how we do it. You just need to understand, read and understand the question properly, and that's it. Half of 1/5 of 60. You need to find the 1/5 of 60 first, which we found out, that is 12. And now half of 12. Half of 12. Easy. You can also do it directly. Half of 1/5 of 60. Half of means times. 1/5 of means times again 60. So this is 1 time 60 in the denominator, 2 times 5. Let's find out. 60, we have split 60, we have written 60 into 2 times 5 is equal to 10 times 6, 60. In the denominator, it's 2 times 5. Why we have split it like this? So that we can cancel. 2 cancel by 2, 5 cancel by 5. What is the answer? 6. In both the ways, the answer is the same. Okay? That's how you have to do it. Now let's do this one. Half of 1/4 of 80. I'm giving you time to do it. This is half of 1/4 of 80. Half of 1/4 of 80. Yeah, 80, no? Either directly or, doing it in parts. Your wish. I hope it's done. So here, half of 1/4 of 80. Half of means times, 1/4 of means times, and 80. So 1 time 80 and 2 times 2, 2 cancelled, 4, 4 cancelled. What is the answer? 10. Half of 1/4 of 80 is 10. Now next one. So this was 10. If you got this answer, that means you are doing great. Let's try the next one. 1/3 of 1/4 of 24. 1/3 of 1/4 of 24. Come on, let's do it. All right, let's do it. 1/4, 1/3 of 1/4 of 24. 1/3 right here, of means times 1/4, of means times again 24. So 3/4 in the 3 times 4 in the denominator times 24. So let's write, we can write 24 as 3 times 4 times 2. Okay, because 3 times 4 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24. So 3 and 4 cancel. Try to write down the same numbers like 3, 4, 3, 4 so that you can cancel and get the answer easily. Here the answer is 2. Okay. So the answer is 2. Waiting for your answer in the chat. Let's do the next one. Half of 1/4 of 24. Half of 1/4 of 24. Come on. Okay, so half of 1/4 of 24. Let's do it. Half of times 1/4 of times 24. 24 we are writing here as 2 times 4, which is 8. 8 times 3, 24. 2 by 4, 2 times 4 as it is in the denominator. 2 and 4 cancel, 3 is the answer. It's that easy, isn't it? Let's do the next one. Find the half of 36. Wow. Half of 36. This is very easy. I hope it's done. Okay, so half of means this, half of 36, right? So if I solve it, how can I do it? It's 36. I can write 36 as 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 9 is 36. In the denominator, it's 2 times 2. And here my answer is 9. I can even do it verbally. Half of 36. Half of 36 is 18. Half of 18 is 9. Easy. So see, 9. Next one, 1/3 of 1/4 of 36. 1/3 of 1/4 of 36. One third of 1/4 of 36. 1/3 of 1/4 of 36. So I can write 36 as 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. And in the denominator, it's 3 times 4. Cancel, 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 cancel. 3 is the answer. Yeah. Let's see. All right. So here, 3 is the answer. We'll do the next one. 1/3 of 1/10 of 120. Come on. So this is 1/3 of 1/10 of 120. So how can we write 120? 3 times 10 times 4, because 3 times 10 is 30 times 4 is 120. And in the denominator, it's 3 times 10, 30. Okay, so that's how we do it. Cancel, cancel, 4 is the answer. So if there is any fraction, one second. Yeah, let's say it's half of, sorry, half of, I'm giving you a similar kind of question which we have already done. Let me see how much you remember. Half of, half of 60. Easy, very easy. Half of 60. Be quick, very easy question. Okay, so here, let's do it. Yep. Half of means times, one second. So half of 60 here. How do we write 60? Here, 60 I can write as 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 15 is 60. In the denominator, it's 2 times 2. Cancel, 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 cancel. Here, 15 is the answer. Half of 60 is 15. Okay, so it's just simple. You just need to remember off means times. Whenever it's written off, you just need to do the times. no matter what the fraction is. Either you can, just find out separately, like what is half of 30, and then half of it is 15. So first, like either you can do it separately or you can do it in one go. All right. So yes, children, that's all for today's class. I hope you understood fractions of fractions. I'll see you in the next class super soon. By the time, take care and have fun. Bye. Have a good day, dear children. See you.